Yo, future CEOs and tech bosses. Want to make bank this summer while building skills that'll crush your college apps? Or even launch your career? Say less. The Next Gen AI Business and Marketing Summer Program is where it's at. Imagine this. You running your own business by September, flipping AI tools like a pro to automate your hustle. You stacking up commissions from real clients while your friends are stuck scrolling TikTok. Sound crazy? Now, just another summer at Next Gen AI. The Half-Day Squad will attend classes in the mornings or afternoons, Monday through Friday. Build a business from scratch. Drop shipping, social media marketing, you name it. Get mentored by real entrepreneurs who started just like you. The full-day main characters will attend classes from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. Plus, obtain pro certifications in AI and business, aka Resume Gold. Field trips to Cincy's hottest startups. Yes, we'll hit up that Money Business Center too. Will it be easy? Nope. You'll grind. You may mess up. Maybe even panic if your first ad campaign flops. But you'll also have a squad of mentors and classmates hyping you up. And when you land your first $500 deal, chef's kiss. Oh, and shout out to last year's crew. They made enough to cover the whole program fee. Summer classes kick off June 1st through September 1st at schools across Cincy. Spots fill fast, and we cap teams to keep it elite.